Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of life insurance. Now I know what you're thinking, life insurance? That's a conversation for later, right? Wrong. It's time to stop putting it off. Whether you're new to the concept or looking to understand it better, this video is for you. We're going to break down everything you need to know about life insurance, step by step, so you can make informed decisions for you and your loved ones. Let's get started. Look, life insurance is about peace of mind. It's about knowing that if something were to happen to you, your family will be taken care of. That's where income replacement comes in. Imagine this. You're no longer around, but your family still needs to pay the bills, put food on the table, and keep a roof over their heads. Life insurance can provide a financial safety net, replacing your income, and allowing your loved ones to maintain their standard of living. Don't wait until it's too late to secure your family's financial future. Life insurance can provide the protection they need. Next, we'll look at how it can help with debt coverage. Nobody wants to think about leaving their loved ones with debt, but it's a harsh reality we need to address. Think about your mortgage, car loans, credit card balances. Those bills don't just disappear when you do. Life insurance can act as a safety net, covering those outstanding debts and relieving your family of a huge financial burden. It's about giving them a fresh start, free from the weight of your financial obligations. Let's be responsible and make sure our families are taken care of no matter what life throws their way. Now let's talk about final expenses. Let's face it, none of us like to dwell on the inevitable, but the reality is, final expenses are a part of life. Funeral costs, burial expenses, and medical bills can add up quickly, putting an unexpected strain on your loved ones during an already difficult time. Life insurance can ease that burden, providing funds to cover those expenses and allowing your family to grieve without the added stress of financial worries. It's about giving them the space to remember and celebrate your life, not worry about mounting bills. Next, we'll dive into estate planning and how life insurance plays a crucial role. Chapter 4. Estate Planning: Securing Your Legacy. Estate planning is more than just writing a will. It's about ensuring a smooth transition of your assets and minimizing the tax burden on your heirs. Life insurance can play a vital role in this process. It can provide the liquidity to cover estate taxes, preventing your loved ones from having to sell assets or dip into their own savings. It's about protecting your legacy and ensuring that your hard-earned wealth goes where you intended it to go. Now, for all the business owners out there, let's talk about how life insurance can protect your business. Chapter 5. Business Continuation: Safeguarding Your Business's Future. For entrepreneurs and business owners, life insurance isn't just about protecting your family, it's about protecting your life's work. Business continuation insurance can help cover debts, provide funds for a smooth transition of ownership, or even attract and retain key employees. It's about ensuring that your business can weather the storm and continue to thrive, even if you're no longer at the helm. Now that we understand the importance of life insurance, let's explore the different types available. Chapter 6. Term life insurance: Affordable protection for a specific time. Term life insurance is like renting coverage for a specific period, typically 10, 20, or 30 years. It's an affordable option, especially if you're young and healthy, and it's ideal for covering temporary needs like a mortgage or young children. Think of it as a safety net while your family is most dependent on your income. While it doesn't build cash value like permanent life insurance, it provides crucial protection when you need it most. Next up, we'll explore permanent life insurance and its benefits. Chapter 7. Permanent life insurance: Lifelong coverage and cash value. Unlike term life insurance, permanent life insurance provides coverage for your entire life, as long as premiums are paid. It also offers a savings component called cash value, which grows tax-deferred over time. While permanent life insurance is more expensive than term life, it offers lifelong protection and can be a valuable tool for estate planning and wealth accumulation. Now let's dive deeper into specific types of permanent life insurance, starting with whole life insurance. Chapter 8. Whole life insurance: Guaranteed benefits and predictability. Whole life insurance is the most traditional type of permanent life insurance, offering fixed premiums, guaranteed death benefits, and cash value that grows at a guaranteed rate. It's a stable and predictable option, making it attractive for those seeking peace of mind and guaranteed returns. However, it's essential to consider that the fixed nature of whole life insurance can make it less flexible than other options. Let's move on to universal life insurance and explore its features. Chapter 9. Universal Life Insurance, Flexibility and Control. Universal life insurance offers more flexibility than whole life insurance, allowing policyholders to adjust their premiums and death benefits within certain limits. The cash value component grows based on current interest rates or investment options chosen by the policyholder, offering the potential for higher returns. However, this flexibility comes with the responsibility of managing the policy and understanding its complexities. Now let's explore our final type of life insurance, variable life insurance. Chapter 10. Variable Life Insurance Investing for Potential Growth. Variable life insurance is designed for individuals comfortable with investment risk. It allows policyholders to invest their cash value in a portfolio of stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, similar to a 401k. While this offers the potential for higher returns, it also means the cash value is subject to market fluctuations and investment losses are possible. It's crucial to carefully consider your risk tolerance and financial goals before choosing variable life insurance. Now that we've covered the different types of life insurance, let's wrap things up. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you gain a clearer understanding of life insurance and how it can protect your loved ones. Remember, it's not about predicting the future, it's about preparing for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative content. Take the first step towards securing your family's financial future. See you next time.